near Baumanskaya Metro in Moscow.
Hello there.
Let's go buy metro ticket for travelers.
Alright guys, next I'm going to show you how to get yourself a 3-day ticket, unlimited metro ticket for, well, you're going to see the price and how does it work. So it's very, very easy guys. So basically you can go to any metro station and there's a special machine, and using that machine you are able to buy this ticket for 3 days or 1 day. You can choose 1 day or 3 days. Follow my lead. So right, metro ticket it is. I actually have also TROIKA card, by the way. Hold up. So yeah, I actually got a rechargeable TROIKA card right here. And with card I'm able to recharge, you know, put the money on it. Let's see, I've never done it before, but I'm going to show you the both ways. Buying the card that you use only during your stay, or with TROIKA. Let's see what happens. So yeah, these machines are located by the metro. And let's see. So if you choose this, let's change language. If you can you? It seems you can't. All right, but anyways, 3 sutok, 3 days. And then you choose я сам не местный, вот стараюсь разобраться. Да, 3 days, 700 rubles, and you just pay for it. You're gonna get the card. So yeah, you can choose 1 trip, 75 rubles, 1 day, 365, or 3 days, 700. And I'm gonna put TROIKA card in. Hold up, let's see. So I'm gonna charge. Oops, there it goes. And I can choose 3 days. Yes, here it is. All right, now the payment 700. I have to pay for the $7. All right, here it is. By card. Hold up, here it is. Оплатить bank card you choose. There it goes. This is the image. And there you go, 700. And I'm supposed to get the card number.
Same option when just charging Moscow's TROIKA card.
Got it. And now we have 3 days tickets loaded to this TROIKA card. Awesome. If you don't have TROIKA card, rechargeable TROIKA card, all you gotta do is you're just gonna get a separate card. Guys, this is Baumanskaya and Blue Line.
Now enjoy your unlimited metro for 3 days starting from your first metro ride after purchase. Metro is the most convenient way to explore and move around Moscow. Metro in Moscow is safe, clean, beautiful, and simply inspiring.
This here is Partizanskaya. I think it's gonna be epic. Look at this.
Just to name the station, this is Partizanskaya.
Oh, I've been here before.
Watch more Moscow and St. Petersburg metro stations on my channel.